Welcome to a toy day. It's me, Nickel the Pickle. We're opening up one of these little bird guys. I know I said I was going to do some research and look up what these birds are so I can tell you what they are and stuff, but I didn't. I'll put it in the description, after the video. I'll let you know what bird it is. What I really want is this blue one with a blue egg. I did give one away, and it ended up being this guy down here. That one. We're not getting that one. So let's get the blue boy. Right in there. Oh, baby, it's the blue boy. I like when I can call it out and make it like I knew what I was going to get before I did. Look at that thing. How adorable. It's the only one with a blue egg. They all have speckled eggs and whatnot. The one I gave away was really, really hard to get the head off. To where this one is pretty difficult as well. I almost got it. I might have to break out knife. Where are we here? Alright, I got it. Let's fucking knife it open. I want to be gentle too, though. I think I loosened it up enough. Oh yeah, we got it. Look at that blue. It looks teal. Look at that thing. What would you call this one? A blue jay? I don't know if you would or not. I'm going to have to look it up. Nice, though. Look at that boy. What a cool looking bird. There's his beehole. Nice. There's its feet. Cool. Even though these are super small, I really like these. They are very delightful little toys. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Look at this little teal egg. I thought it was going to be the same color as the bird, but it's not really. But still, very nice. Very nice. Oh, remember last time I did the top. Oh, nope, didn't do it. It didn't fall off the table though, so that's fine. Alright, there it is. Let's hit it with a black light. Nothing. No shine at all. What about the egg? No, it looks even duller under the black light. Here's the card. Yeah, look at the card shine. Alright. That's going to do it. Remember, toy a day keeps... a toy a day keeps... a toy a day keeps forgetfulness away. We'll see you tomorrow.